Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astro Jyoti Healing. Are you somebody who is taking any competitive exam soon? Or are you planning to take a competitive exam in the coming year? Then this video is for you. I am going to discuss what you can do to support your horoscope in order to get the best results in competitive exams. Namaste and welcome back to Astro Jyoti Healing. If you are in the final year of engineering or final year of any degree course and you are ready to take up the competitive exam for the post graduation, this video is for you. If you are someone who is taking civil services exam, any exam like UPSC, MPSC or IAS, or if you are somebody who is taking IIT JEE or any board exam, if you are taking CAT or you are taking SAT, any entrance exam, competitive exam, this video is for you. First thing to do, make sure you do not use your night time for other than studying and sleeping. When you take up any exam, your brain is the most important thing. Your brain should be well rested and it should be focused on the subject. So make sure your brain is well rested and you are not thinking about anything else than studies, typically at night. Second thing, it is about the competitive spirit, the mental attitude towards facing any difficulty in terms of exam. So those of you who have a strong 6,000 horoscope, they are probably going to get it easy in terms of preparing for exam. But for those of you who do not have the intrinsic strength of the 6th house, how they can improve it? Make sure you are doing your studies thoroughly. Make sure any kind of romantic relationships or relationships that you have are used constructive ways in terms of help towards studying or focusing towards your education. Make sure you are going through all the books, all the resources that are online as well while preparing the exam. Also make sure you are taking help from the seniors who have already taken this exam. That way you are making sure that planets like Jupiter, Venus and Saturn are strengthened in your horoscope. Now when you take an exam, the social outlook changes. Even with the thought that somebody is trying to take these important exams, people have curiosity, people have respect for them. And that way, actual exam is the environment of 10th house of your horoscope. How people look at it, how we look at it will determine the mental setup. Always remember you are well prepared for that day. Make sure where your center is in advance. Make sure you have all the needed things for exam. For example, you use a calculator, have it. You use log tables, have it. If you need a particular kind of pen or pencil, be prepared beforehand. Those of you who are taking engineering exams, they should have their, if it is engineering drawing, then make sure you have all those kits with you. Same thing applies to every exam. Make sure you are dressed comfortably. You are not going for any fashion competition. You are not going there to seek attention. So remember, you wear the clothing that is comfortable to you, and if a uniform or a dress code is there, follow it. Get in touch with your mentors and ask them if they have any last minute tips for you. Here is a summary of what you can do to get better results at competitive exams. 1. Use the night time for sleep and studies, that's all. 2. Do all your studies and keep your romantic relationships in a way that they are encouraging to you. Number 3. Get in touch with your mentors, use comfortable clothing. I hope these things are useful enough to strengthen the horoscopes in the astrology perspective for getting best in the competitive exam. I wish all of you all the very best. and success. Hope you like this video and you can share this video with all the friends who are taking such important exam. Please like, comment and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Shubham Bhavatu. Thank you. Namaste.